Welcome back to again my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome back to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. No, like me. Get credit IQ test scores latest quiz available now, guys. Be carefully be end up watching this quiz because I will be helping to you and how to complete to be this like be IQ test. So they all of everything easily now only explain you something about this quiz. So and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video and please request you sharing my also to be video. Okay guys, certified IQ test on to be available now on the quiz factory. Okay, so let's start now this quiz. Okay guys, to be starting quiz now. Which of which of the next logical sequence in the formations below? Okay, C options. Okay guys, test questions number 2. Okay guys, this question to be right answer green. Question number 3rd. So this question to be right answer 99. Question number 4. How many black squares are in the picture? $18. Right answer 18. Okay. Question number 5. If you rearrange the letter Kerala for few. This question to be right answer a large American city. Question number 6. 2. True right answer. Question number 7. A right answer. Question number 8. 2. Right answer 2. Question number 9. Face. This question to be right answer face. Question number 10. Blue. Question number 11. Car race. Question number 12. C. What shape would the shapes below the make if the combines? Right options A. You're certified for 14. Which of these is sentence below the most grammatically? My wife, I want to. Me and my wife went off dinner. My wife together with me went off dinner. 4th options. Question number 15. C. Right answer. C. Question number 16. 0. Question number 17. C. Right answer. C. Question number 18. 5 a.m. Question number 19. If all the nouns spawns and the poles and balls are the nouns balls, yes. This question to be right answer, yes. Question number 20. Fifteen, right answer. How many quarters are in the $3? 16. Question number 22. 60. Question number 23. How many zeros are in the 1 million? 10. 10. Which number of this is the coming? 21. Question number 25. Which animal is not like the other? Panda bear. Okay. This is the right answer, 29. Question number 27. This is the right answer, 14. 28 question. This is the right answer. 29 question. Take and make cake. The most baking. Right answer, Presley true. Right answer, this question to be less than 50%. 31 questions. What does Phil start? 1. The first day, the daylight in the night time, hour equal. Met London. 33 question. Country. Which shape fits into the B? Right answer, B. Options B. D. Right answer, D. Continue the patron. M. Right answer. Which wrinkle is the missing? B. Which animal does not fit? Mouse. What is the half 21 plus 9 minus 7, 8, 8 right answer. 14, 5 hours. Robert, Jerry. So guys, we will be checking. Congratulations, we have successfully determined our IQ score. So thank you so much for you watching my video, and request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys. Thank you so much.